Hey guys, welcome back to the SLRV Expedition Vehicle YouTube channel. Hope you've been enjoying our videos on the adventurer builds, and we've got a massive one here today. What we're standing with here is a brand new build series, and it's based on the MAN 2GM 13290. This is our SLRV Commander 4x4. Now the SLRV Commander is the pinnacle of luxury and capability when it comes to the 4x4 range. The MAN 13290 is one of the most capable and comfortable off-road trucks available around the world, and that's why the MAN is well renowned as one of the best expedition vehicle bases anywhere. The Commander itself features a 6.2 metre body, double glazed German windows. Inside it you'll find one of the most luxury fit outs anywhere in the world, perfect for extended touring around Australia or around the world. The layout in these things features an electric lift up king size north-south bed over a huge lounge, massive galley kitchen featuring all Miele appliances, washer dryer, oven, even a dishwasher, and then a full ensuite across the back and a very large rear garage which can fit e-bikes in, whatever you like. So this is going to be a very exciting build, guys. This truck's going to have pretty much everything we can think of, including an electric motorbike in it. A lot of new stuff and developments from us as well. So make sure you follow the channel, like and subscribe, and we look forward to a lot of new videos on this rig coming up.